Hello and congratulations on getting access to this video course on social media content marketing. So we're going to talk about a super easy, super simple content marketing strategy that you can implement to create content in the form of images that will not only attract your audience, but get them to engage with your content as well. So let's go ahead and dive in. So this is the introduction to simple social content. Now, before we jump in, I want to talk briefly about mindset because I want to make sure that you're in the right mindset before we get started. You see, there are all sorts of content marketing out there, but the goal here is to keep it simple with captivating images and a short but powerful message. And I'm going to show you what I mean in just a second. So in other words, we're going to keep it short and simple. The second goal is to mimic, not necessarily copy or plagiarize what's out there, but to mimic what works. So we're going to take a look at content out there that is getting high engagement and how you can kind of replicate it as well. So what I want to do now is give you a quick overview of what's inside this video course. Of course, this is video number 1, which is the introduction. Video number 2, we're going to analyze your audience. So before we can go ahead and create content, it's crucial to analyze your audience and get an idea of their similar interests in video number 3. Video number 4, we're going to find out where do they hang out. And of course, video number 4, we're going to talk about where do they hang out because that's important. Video number 5, we'll talk about magazines. What kind of images inspire them? And magazines are a great place to find images that intrigue, that engage, and that attract your audience. And video number 6, we're going to talk about powerful words that you can use in your images. Video number 7, we're going to talk about creating them. And of course, video number 8, we're going to talk about organizing your content images. And of course, last but not least, number 9, we're going to talk about auto scheduling to make sure that your life is going to be a lot easier. You don't have to sit at the computer every single day posting these images. Okay, so let's talk about what you need to do to get started. Obviously, you're going to need to know what you're going to sell. You'll definitely need to have these social media presences, such as Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and more. Now, you specifically want to target social media sites that are image friendly. So for example, Instagram, most people simply post images. Facebook, you can post content, but images are really good. And Pinterest as well. You also need to have a brief idea of your audience. It doesn't need to be exact for now. We'll clarify that, but have a brief idea. Start painting a picture of what your audience looks like. And we talked about social sites. And of course, you'll need some money for apps to automate your scheduling. And of course, if you're low on money, you can definitely post the images and content yourself without scheduling them. With that said, let's move on to the next video.